question for me?
Yeah, she talks.
No.
She talks.
No.
क्या पूछना क्या है?
So I want to ask Sara, how was it working with Varun sir? for you,
फोटोग्राफर
Sara?
नीचे बैठ.
कौन है?
तू.
It was very fun and I really learned how to listen now.
समझेगा मैं क्या बोली?
नहीं, फिर से बोल.
Thank you. You were very adorable.
Thanks.
कल आला.
पूछ लो she's answering.
और पूछना है ज़ारा से.
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions now.
बोलो पाजी बोलो.
पाजी बोलो. अरे पाजी
अरे
तुम
तुम ही हो सरदार.
अरे पूछो ना भाई, कुछ भी पूछ लो ना.
भाई विनोद का बर्थडे आज.
चुप क्या?
Buddy.
पाजी तुम ही हो ना, और कौन सा पाजी इधर?
You said? What she means you or she means no? She means
How much did you train her, Ramu?
this guy is your best friend. Not even his best friend's best friend.
सही पकड़े. मेरा ही था.
Okay, sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus.
Second favorite?
Okay, second favorite.
Second favorite?
विनोद मामा.
Mommy come on.
I love you. Third favorite?
मनोज.
मनोज चाचा.
Also,
दोनों है.
thank you.
मनोज का नाम लिए मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Loving the bond. Hi, on your left, Rutunjay here from Pop Diaries. The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing. I think this is gonna be larger than life cinema, as Varun you said earlier. My question is to Atli or Kalis or whoever can take this question. Like past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos, and whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it a conscious decision now to have a cameo or a big surprise in the film?
See, we are entertainers. We go all out to entertain the audience. And cameos are, in certain films, are made for make a added advantage to the film. But certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage, at the same time the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if someone can do it, it will be great. Then it immediately happened.
हेलो.
वरुण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. स्टंट्स और ये सब पर तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई, लेकिन जहाँ तक आपकी बदलापुर का सवाल है, वो भी एक कॉस्ट बेस्ड फिल्म थी और उसको आज तक हम भूल नहीं पाए. इवन आमिर
मैं आपको 2 मिनट में फोन करता हूँ. हाँ आ रहे कोई.
नए बच्चों में मुझे वरुण का काम बदलापुर में
उधर अमूल करके लड़का
ये
है.
फिल्म भी उसी पर मतलब कुछ एक कॉस्ट बेस्ड फिल्म.
अमूल.
तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म को करना और उसमें एक मासी कैरेक्टर को भी प्ले करना.
बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. कुछ ऐसे सीन्स है ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स है वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन एंड बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था जिस तरीके से शूट होता था. तो Kalisa would in fact tell me that Varun, don't get so emotional in the scene, try and be straight. But मैं scene में perform करते ही I would sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way. But in a commercial film I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way. And I can guarantee you that chapter of the film जब वो आएगा, it is going to shake up people. I am sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना extreme में गया नहीं. I mean yeah, in Badlapur yeah we would. In this it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में, हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. आई डोंट गो टू डीप इनटू इट, बट आई कैन जस्ट टेल यू दैट द केस इज गोइंग टू हिट एवरीवन वेरी back.
This is Rajiv Vijayakar. My question here.
Hello, sir.
My question is for Kalis Bhai. This is Murad Bhai just said that this is an adaptation of the original, not a copy or not a direct remake. So my question
कितना
is,
ऊपर
how
ले रहा है बेटा?
challenging was it to be different?
Great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything, and in the emotional way what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
Hi Varun, this side. Hi, Vishal Ambani here.
अरे सर क्या
ताली बजा रहे थे
पूरा नाम पूछो सर पूरा नाम पूछ लो पूरा नाम पूछो सर अरे कैमरा में आ जाएगा तो आया क्यों फिर
अंबानी
पूरा नाम
पूरा नाम
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी. वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
Are you the producer of it?
जियो
वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ.
20 रुपए मेरे से लेके रिक्शे का भाड़ा दिया
वरुण, जब बी नाम की लेटर
हाँ, बोले ना.
मूवीज में आती है वो हमेशा हिट हुई है. आपके लिए बी काफी लकी
हाँ, हाँ.
भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी
ठीक
जॉन
है,
बवाल
पता
भी
तो उधर
आएगी.
जाके फोन करता
तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज योर की टू सक्सेस?
विशाल जी, अंबानी जी.
और सबसे खास बात है, मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजूका है, तो वो भी बीसी है.
अरे तेरे क्या लेना देना उससे
ये तो बहुत चैनल है.
चल एक भी नहीं रहा है
चल एक भी नहीं रहा है.
एक भी नहीं चल रहा है
सर
हमें सवाल पूछना है प्रमोशन करना है
एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है.
क्या से विनोद बन रहा है
फटेगा.
अपना publicity रखा है भाई.
क्रिसमस पे दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड. जनता जनार्दन. So for me it's always the audience. I mean I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. तो सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है.
अरे अच्छा वाला है कौन है
माइक दो इसको हाथ में.
हाथ में
तो मुंह में दे.
Hello, sir. Narinder Bhutani from Punjab Kesari, and let me remind you a bit. आपकी कोका-कोला की कमर्शियल थी जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक इंसान और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं ही था. It's been like my question is कोका-कोला की टीवी कमर्शियल हमने करी थी and now जो कोका-कोला का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है दिलजीत दोसांझ वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं. Tell me about that collaboration and it's for producers also and for you also. The experience with Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते. The way he's entertaining us through all his tours and honestly it just took one request. एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे गाना भेजा थमन सिंह का. उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया. He said I would love to work with Atlee sir. I would love to sing for you. And वो सेट पे आए and he was just a dream to work with. I think working with Diljit was so easy that day. We had so much fun. बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में and I think he's in a spiritual place. भाई वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है and वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को entertain करे, so beautiful to see. Just अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है and I'm going to be co-stars with him also soon. I'm going to picture भी करेंगे next. But I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song. Then में ढक्का and song is doing so well. गाना hit हो गया है. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhi, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atlee sir also for getting us the songs.
Hello to the team. This is I.
If you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it. He said, if you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you. And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis, that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on he told me that you are both mad, so I have to be careful or don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours, upside down. He made me ride a...
Varun, रेहान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है, हाउ वाज दैट फीलिंग? कितना एंजॉय किया?
बहुत अच्छा। इट्स बीन वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड। आजकल लोग सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं, हम लोग
हमारा वो भी
एक्चुअल फिल्म में कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर कोलैबोरेशन which feels good, and he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business, and I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very 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 pleased.
Any compliment?
क्या करे बेटा तू?
अबे तेरे में कहाँ आ रहा हूँ?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है मुझे बस, I mean he just saw me, said baby John बड़ा हो गया baby. That's a compliment, but yeah I can totally go in his style.
Hi Varun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Varun.
Hi ma'am, कैसे हो आप?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
This is Pooja Saman. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how
Thank you so much, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. Murad sir, I'll come to you quickly. Talking about this entire collaboration, as I said, sir, theaters में जब से हमने पहला लुक देखा है या जब से गाने आए हैं ना, वो एक्साइटमेंट एक अलग लेवल पे जा रहा है. सो एज अ प्रोड्यूसर कितना प्राउड आप फील कर रहे हैं इस प्रोडक्ट से और क्या देने वाले हैं सर 25 दिसंबर को? थोड़ा इंसाइट्स बनती हैं सर.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग. एंड जैसा मैं बताया आपको फिल्म के बारे में, द मैसेज गुड पेरेंटिंग एंड ऑल, उसके अलावा जैसा आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है, दिस इज अ फुल ऑन कमर्शियल मसाला एंटरटेनर. बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट भी मिलेगा, बहुत बड़े स्केल पे है. एंजॉय विजुअली. फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड इज ऑन अनदर लेवल. सो एंड सॉन्ग्स यू हैव हर्ड एंड आर वी Amul, is there a surprise? So there is one more song coming out tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So you'll see that. So it's a romantic track. So there is a love story and everything in the film. Yeah. And I'd like to thank Atli sir for trusting me. Rihanna. Zara, thank you.
Right.
Kirti. Thank you. Varun, like family, and क्या कहना तुम्हारा? And Kalish sir. Sir is planning to shoot 2 more days on 26, 27 after release. 1st January we will have another version of the film.
बहुत कुछ होना बाकी है. As I said, 3 of the biggest.
या फिर अभी तो बहुत खींच रहा है, इनको क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं.
मैं आगे
में हमको मजा आ रहा है.
डायरेक्टर साहब तक तो पहुंच जाऊं.
नहीं, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टर साहब को मैं पूछ लेता हूं.
आप पूछोगे
प्रेस के
मनोज के तरफ से.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव सर फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट कलिश सर डेब्यू हो गए हो. I think all the media, everyone in Mumbai wants to know that how easy or difficult did you find it to shoot here in Mumbai, sir?
First of all, I want to thank you all. And I want to thank my friend Atli, because without him I can't be here. He gave me address. So I want to thank Priya, my sister, and Murad sir, and I want to thank my hero Varun sir, Kirti ma'am, and Vanika, and baby also, because I tortured them a lot. Still they're loving me. That is why I don't know why. But thank you everyone. And for the one question, it's a mindset. Difficulty and easy, it's a mindset. First, when you are going to the different culture, we have to understand the culture, we have to respect the culture. Once you respect them, you get the respect back. So from south down unto north, Jawan is the great experience for me when I'm doing a second unit director, when the opportunity to go to work with legends like Shwaruk sir, Nayantara ma'am, a lot of people, this gives me a lot of experience. And the way of working style from south north is it's totally different. But once you understand the basic, it will be easy for everyone. It's nothing new. Everyone using the camera, everyone using the same thing. The people, the way the talking is different, but everybody is beautiful. That is the one thing we have common all over India.
Absolutely. All right, Ji.
This is first collaboration with Jio. Absolutely. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am. Entire Jio team who is helping us a lot in promotion, marketing and everything. Thank Thank you everyone.
Come on, let's hear it for Geo Studios, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Jyoti Deshpande ji, as I said, she sent her good wishes to the entire team. And now it's over to you. कहाँ से आ रहा पहला सवाल? भारती मैम? रुको मैम, मैं आ
I just saw Varun dragging you on the stage. Was he doing the same while shooting also?
Both of them?
Yeah, of course. First Vamika.
पहले वामिका. Did I?
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था.
Dragging.
बोलो.
नहीं I think हम सब really एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब relaxed लोग हैं तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे.
इसको लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक. ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक.
क्या बात कर.
धीरे वो ये मेरे को रैग करती थी. मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर.
क्या बात.
ये तो गुंडी है.
क्या कहाँ की?
ऑटो में
हैदराबाद. क्या बात है.
हिंदी चल ऑटो में चल. क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है? स्टार है क्या? फुल ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे.
वेट कितना बढ़ता है.
नाइट सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने. सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोगों को. तो ऑटो में नहीं.
बाइंदर वाला जाता है. बाइंदर.
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me, and he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है, मैं अभी शादी करके आई तो I'm sitting very decent.
अरे सर चलेगा सर. सर. कलर का है.
वामिका, how is Varun as a co-actor?
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की that it was a pleasure working with him. Generally लोग कोई भी intimidated होगा that you're going to be working with such a beautiful big team who have been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं ज़बरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार-बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तो मैं that he's such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would always want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. Like he's not someone who will only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him.
Oh, and he gossips a lot.
Okay, hello, hi here. Upma from Navara Times.
उपमा. खा जाओ.
अलंकार.
आपका क्वेश्चन शुरू होना चाहिए.
वरुण, जब आपने एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म में आपकी बेटी का रोल कर रही है.
अरे यार, जब तारीफ का टाइम आया चली गई.
अरे उपमा खाने के लिए गया वो.
अबे मारेगी तेरे को.
This is what I was saying कि जब आपने एंट्री की जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे, उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस ये जो हो रहा था.
बैग रह गया.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा fatherly instinct नजर आया. Does it change you, Varun, after becoming a father?
You know, honestly,
थोड़ा ऐसा पकड़ के रख.
let's not just get entertained. Let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots. And thanks for supporting us. Thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 25th to the theaters. Definitely, every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely as a parent you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here, and now I will thank my in-house team. Murad bhai, thanks for being a partner and making this film, and the great VD, Varun Dhawan, Baby John. So he was so sweet and he was outstanding in the film. Till today morning, we were in the final mix of the film. It was very emotional for us to give the film to the overseas. We really felt emotional, and I think Varun Dhawan has really pushed his hard limit to give us maximum to the film. Thank you, Varun sir. Kirti Suresh, who's our best friend, and thanks for accepting this film. And it's a very important role, which is a very challenging role, and she has pulled it off, and it is highly emotional, and I'm sure she's going to make you all cry. That I can guarantee you. And thank you, Vamika. I've been waiting to work with you for a very long time. First we have produced a film, so soon we will work together for sure. And thanks for accepting this film. And my dear friend, and who's 18 years friend of mine, is just doing this drama only in front of you. He doesn't do this. Okay, so he's my good friend. 19 years back, when I was a short filmmaker, he was a short filmmaker. We bumped into each other and said, I'm gonna do my short film tomorrow. Can you be my AD tomorrow? And he said yes. And that has been continuing for 19 years. He has worked in Jawan as a second unit director, and he has already directed a film. He should have a great heart to come as a second unit director after directing a film. He has already directed in Tamil industry. And thank you so much. You had a great heart, buddy. So thank you, and definitely he's gonna be the pick of this year as a director for sure. We have as a studio, Jio, Cine One and A4 Apple. We are very happy to introduce Khalees to this industry. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, being a great support. Thank you, Jio Studio, for being a great support. I think I've done the basic things. Now let's whatever bro you ask, bro.
I'll do that. So Varun, I'll come to you quickly. Christmas celebration has started right here, right now. 3 of the biggest production studios of our country have actually come together. Jio Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji, and Murad sir यहाँ पे, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे. What do you have to say? इतनी तगड़ी backing Baby John को इस Christmas.
बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज एनवायरनमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट, दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज अ फिल्म अदरवाइज, बिकॉज वेरी लार्जर देन लाइफ फिल्म्स आर ओनली कमिंग नाउडेज. ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट हो गया है. सो इन दैट मच टाइम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट विल बी 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theatre. So we, like at least I said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because historically this date has been Amir sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date, and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में.
Thank you so much.
भाभी जी
He told me
नमस्ते.
backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. Thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. No, we both are. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Love you.
क्योंकि मैं आपके पास ही आ जाता हूँ. वेलकम टू आमची मुंबई वन मोर टाइम. पिछली बार धमाका हुआ था. नाउ वी ऑल सेट फॉर दिस धमाका विद ऑल दीज वंडरफुल पीपल. टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड कोलैबोरेटिंग विद दिस जेंटलमैन हियर. मतलब ये अलग है कुछ.
Yes, first of all, thanks to Atli and Priya because this is one of my favorite characters.
बोल गई बाजी. Translate करो. बाजी translate करो. हिंदी.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that has been played before, and to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya, and hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad bhai and team.
And Bhamika, I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And yeah, she's a boxer in that. Sorry, wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same room. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. And I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Khalees, Khalees, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Khalees. I've learned a lot from you, and that's more important. So thank you so much, and thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamik, I'll quickly.